Hey everyone, welcome to KKT Katan Kinetic Therapist. Today, I'm exposing the biggest massage myths that people still believe. If you've ever thought massage removes toxins or that deep tissue must hurt, stay tuned. Myth 1. Massage removes toxins from the body. The myth. Massage flushes out toxins. The truth false. Your kidneys and liver remove toxins, not massage. Massage improves circulation and lymphatic flow, but it doesn't detox your body. Drinking water after a massage keeps you hydrated, but doesn't flush out toxins. Myth 2. Deep tissue. Massage must hurt to work. The myth. No pain, no gain. The truth. Wrong. A good massage should be intense, but not painful. Extreme pain causes muscle tension and can even lead to injury. A skilled therapist applies controlled pressure based on your tolerance. Myth 3. Massage can replace exercise. The myth. I get massages, so I don't need to work out. The truth. No. Massage improves recovery and flexibility but doesn't replace exercise, strength training, or cardio. If you want real results, combine massage with a proper workout routine. Myth 4. More pressure means a better massage. The myths. The harder, the better. The truth. Myth. Excessive pressure can cause bruising, soreness, and inflammation. Proper technique matters more than force. A massage should be effective, not painful. Myth 5. Massage is only for relaxation. The myth. Massage is just for spa day. The truth is not true. Massage therapy is used for pain relief, sports recovery, stress management, and injury rehab. Many professional athletes and office workers rely on it to stay healthy. 6. One massage can fix chronic pain. The myth. One session should be enough. The truth. False. Chronic pain develops over time and requires regular therapy. Massage works best when combined with stretching, exercise, and lifestyle changes. So there you have it. Massage therapy is powerful, but understanding the facts is key. This video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fitness and recovery tips. Drop a comment below if you've heard any of these myths before. See you in the next video.